Hey folks, welcome back to my channel, Lockett's Kitchen and Grill, and today we're going to be doing a chicken fajita rice casserole. Real tasty and real easy to do. So let's get down with the goodies here. I just want to say I advise everybody to prep like this ahead of time. It makes everything much easier. So basically, as you go along, you're just dumping everything, no last minute opening up cans and chopping things. You just get right to it. Okay, here we're gonna get all our ingredients ready for the rice. And get everything incorporated and ready to go. All our seasonings, the peppers, the beans, the corn, the green chilies, and I think next time I'm gonna do the chipotle. Chipotle and the sauce, mix it in there, give it a nice kick. Okay, right here you want to get your fajita blend, the peppers and the onions. I went with the red and green with white onion. I should have used the orange and the yellow with it. I should have. You want to have a lot of colors. Yeah, it makes the dish really stand out. Yes, that's the sound you want to hear. That's the sound of magic happening. You want to sear the meat about 4 to 5 minutes each side. Now I got the heat jacked up, high heat. So we're not cooking them. We just want to get that nice sear. We're gonna finish them off in the oven. If you don't have a cast iron skillet, I suggest you invest in one. It's a must in the kitchen, in my opinion. Now at this point, you just want to check the color, and once you see that golden brown, you're good to go. All right, guys, at this point, this is real critical here. You want to get your broth in, then you want to get your seasoning. You want to get your seasoning right for your rice. I like to kind of like, I won't say over season it, but you want a good amount of seasoning in it because that rice will sop up a lot of that seasoning. You don't want bland rice. So that's why you have to taste your food, folks. Just give it a taste, and when it's to your liking, it's ready. Just put your chicken in, and you're good. This is one of my favorite, sazon. It gives it a nice color and a nice flavor. Here's the taste test, and it was good to go, y'all. So now you want to get your chicken in, Set your oven to 350 and you get to kick back and relax for a little bit. All right, see, you want to get all that good seasoning right there. Now we're about to seal this bad boy up with some foil. I use foil because I want to make sure I get all that trapped steam in there. I don't want anything getting out of there. So you want to get your top, make sure you get a good seal and you're good to go. And you're ready for the oven. So you want to go in about 350 degrees for 1 hour. After 1 hour, don't touch it, don't move it, no peeking. For about 10-15 minutes. I let it sit out and let it just rest. And then this is what you get. Nice, rice is done perfect. And then at this point you want to add your cheese. I had Monterey Jack. I forgot to put that in the beginning. I used Monterey Jack, like 2 cups, and then Kobe Jack. I think I use a cup. But you can use any amount you want. I like cheese, so I use over a cup of Kobe Jack, as you can see. And then we're gonna put it back in the oven or broil until the cheese melts. And then you're ready to eat. There you go, y'all. This was a mighty fine eating. Give it a try, y'all. Y'all won't be disappointed. Full of flavor. Okay, folks. Thanks for stopping by. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.